In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Polly in Slack. Polly is a powerful tool that lets you create simple, interactive polls and surveys right within your Slack workspace. Whether you're looking to gather feedback from your team or just want to make decisions quickly, Polly makes it incredibly convenient. So, let's get started. First things first, we'll need to access Slack. Open the Slack application on your computer or device. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the Slack website. Once Slack is up and running, you'll need to sign in. You can either type in your email address and password, or, for those who prefer convenience, use the Apple or Google sign-in options. Picking one of these options can save you some time, especially if you're a fan of single sign-on functionalities. Once logged in, you'll see a list of workspaces associated with your Slack account. If you're part of several teams, make sure to choose the correct workspace where you'd like to use Polly. Look for your team's digital hub where you're planning to create those polls or surveys. After you've entered your preferred workspace, the next step is to visit the Slack app directory. This is a marketplace with all the different apps you can integrate with Slack to boost productivity and make collaboration smoother. Find the option to Go to the Slack marketplace. It's usually located on the left-hand side of the Slack UI, under Apps. Once in the marketplace, use the search bar to type in Polly. As you type, you should start seeing suggestions pop up below. Click on Polly when it appears. By doing this, you're one step closer to enhancing your Slack experience. Polly's landing page within the marketplace will give you more information about its features and benefits. But for now, let's move on to installing it. Look for the Get It Now button on Polly's page. Clicking this will begin the installation process. Follow the prompts that appear afterward. These prompts are designed to guide you through allowing permissions and confirming details about how Polly will interact with your workspace. Remember, these permissions usually include the ability for Polly to post messages or access basic information about your workspace. These are necessary for it to function properly, so don't worry. And there you have it. Polly should now be ready to use in your Slack workspace. From here, you can start creating polls or surveys to collect responses from your team. Just launch Polly by typing Polly in any channel, then follow the instructions to set up your first poll. It's that easy. Polly is now a part of your team's toolkit, streamlining decision-making and feedback collection, all without leaving Slack. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using Polly as much as I do.